क्या 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 बोला? एनआईटी का पेपर देने जा रहा है? पागल हो गया है? सुन मेरी बात, पहले जाके अपनी शक्ल दिखा आईने में। और सुन, हर साल कम से कम भी लाखों लोग अप्लाई करते हैं और सिर्फ सिर्फ 15 लोगों का सिलेक्शन होता है। तुझे क्या लगता है तेरा हो जाएगा? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। वो जो हमारा सीनियर है ना, राहुल, पिछले 5 साल से अटेम्प्ट मार रहा है, कुछ नहीं उखाड़ लिया उसने। और तू सुन, तू भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़ने वाला है। टाइम की बर्बादी और कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। Hi guys, I am Simran Bahamanya and I am currently pursuing my masters from NIT in lifestyle accessory design. I am in my second year right now, and whatever you heard now, I think most of you will agree with me that people who want to be a designer, who aspire to be designer, are facing same kinds of problem. They do not know how to start, where to start from, and how to prepare their own mind to actually attempt the paper. So a lot of people come to me and ask me, Simran ki, what to do that extra little thing, to set ourselves apart from the crowd. So today I'll be talking about the same, and yeah, so let's begin. So, tip number one would be observational skills. Yes, so observation is not something that you'll be able to achieve in a day or so, but it is something that comes with time. It comes with conscious efforts. You have to consciously start developing this habit, and with time, you'll be able to master it. So, for example, if you're walking in a park or somewhere, you can start looking at how people are sitting, how people are walking, how they are interacting with other people, what are their activities, what are their expressions. You can start looking at the pattern of a leaf, the fluidity of a flower, the tiny details present in the flower, the ripples of water. Or if you're working in a kitchen, you can see the proportion of a knife, how it's formed, different colors of the materials, and I mean, these are the basic things that you see each day. Uh, so you just have to make it a practice, and I think once you'll be able to develop this habit of observing, it's going to be of a great help in the long run. Tip number two would be curious. Randomly move out of your house and explore the world. I mean, really, you have to move your butt from the sofa and you have to move out of your house. And I mean, guys, it's all out there. What all you need. Um, you can talk to people who are in this field. They'll be able to tell you your weaknesses and strengths, take their feedback. You can just go to design institutes and see your seniors portfolios, and even talk to the design faculties. You can show your portfolios to them and ask them what are the things that you can work on, what are the skills that you can really develop to crack this exam. You can go to any event that's happening in your place. You can attend exhibitions and randomly talk to people, guys. There is no harm in that. I think they'll be able to give their insights in a very appropriate manner that will help you in a way to improve your work. And I think it's the whole idea is to just broaden your imagination, your mind, and to increase your knowledge. That's going to add value in the future. So, tip number third would be sketch, sketch, and sketch. It's not that sketching holds a lot of weightage in the exam, but see, sketching is something which will help you to put your ideas on the paper. So, at least I would suggest you carry your diary and a pen with you whenever you are traveling or going somewhere, or if you are sitting idle, you can just start scribbling, doodling, or in whatever form you want to have your ideas. So if you ask me, कि sketching इतना ज़्यादा important क्यों है? So guys, if you have some ideas and thoughts and you want to bring it into a physical form, I mean, sketching is the only way out to explain your thought process to the viewer or your client. And One of the things that I would like to tell you is that design thinking is more important than sketching. If you're creative enough, if you imagine things in a very crazy way, I think that holds more importance than sketching. But at least you should be able to put your ideas on the paper, right? One of the things that I would like to suggest to you guys is that please start uploading your work on different social media sites, because it's really important to have feedback from people who are from design background. There are a lot of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Behance, where you can just um, share your work, and also you'll be able to learn more. So a lot of you will say that कि ट्रॉल किया जाता है या अभी हमारा काम इतना अच्छा नहीं है. So please, I'll request you that don't think like that, because once you accept yourselves, you will be able to, you know, understand your weaknesses, and please start to take criticism from others, because here in NIT we have open jury system, and we present our work in front of everybody, and anybody and everyone can ask questions, or criticize our work. I think develop that, be open to any kind of feedback, because that's the only way to learn. So in the next video, I'll be talking about the pattern of the exam, how you can attempt the exam, how you can start prepping up, and what are the key elements that should be taken into consideration, and how you can plan your time. So in between, if you have any queries or any concern, you can feel free to comment, or you can text me directly. And also, I would say that please take care of the things that I have mentioned in the video today. It's going to be of a great help. And so, till the next video, take care, have fun, bye bye.